Darla from the spa. Just wanted to say hello. Wish you all well. I just wanted to speak to you a little bit about we're all protecting ourselves being indoors with this coronavirus, and I know we're all wanting to get outside, experience some sunshine. But while we're out there in the sunshine, please remember to use your sunscreen. Ladies, make sure you put it on after you've applied all your other products. You want it to be the closest thing to the sun for full protection. Make sure you apply it to your neck as well. For everyone else, a 15 is what it works at. All sunscreens work at this level. A 50 only means that it's the time that you can be outside before reapplying. So the numbers really don't matter. So they all work at the same level. So while you're out there, be safe, enjoy yourselves in this time, and hope to see you soon, and be safe and blessed during this time. Thank you.